Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Emili Roberts, and today I want to discuss a critical issue in our digital landscape, cyberbullying, especially concerning the rise of deepfakes. Firstly, let's define deepfakes. These are synthetic media, often videos or audio recordings, created using advanced AI algorithms to manipulate content to appear as if someone did or said something they didn't. Deepfakes have become a growing concern due to their potential for misuse, particularly in facilitating cyberbullying. Statistics from reputable sources, including studies by organizations like Pew Research Center and the Cyberbullying Research Center, show an alarming trend. They highlight an increase in cyberbullying incidents associated with the use of deepfakes. These incidents have resulted in emotional distress, reputational harm, and psychological impact on affected individuals. As an AI researcher, I've studied how machine learning can both contribute to and combat this problem. While the technology behind deepfakes poses risks, it also offers solutions. Research in machine learning aims to develop tools that can detect and counteract these manipulations, thereby safeguarding digital identities and authenticity. In terms of preventive measures, experts widely advocate for digital literacy education. Teaching individuals how to discern authentic content from manipulated ones is crucial in mitigating the impact of deepfakes. Additionally, technological advancements are underway to create tools and systems specifically designed to detect and mitigate the spread of deepfakes online. Stricter online policies and regulations are also being considered to address the issue. Platforms and governments are exploring ways to minimize the spread and impact of harmful content, including deepfakes, by enforcing stronger rules and regulations in the digital sphere. In conclusion, addressing cyberbullying and the threat of deepfakes requires a multifaceted approach. It involves leveraging technology to detect
and counteract these manipulations while also emphasizing the importance of digital literacy and stricter online policies.